Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the server can't be found. So if you find this kind of error in iPhone, so how iPhone Safari, so how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the settings here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll back, and you have to click on general, and the first thing you have to do is you have to scroll it down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply click on reset network setting. So here you have to click on reset network settings and you have to reset all of your network connection, and after that resetting your network, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on airplane mode and you have to turn on the airplane mode, and after a few seconds you have to turn it off again, and in this way your Wi-Fi will be restarted. And you can also check your Wi-Fi router is working properly or not. And the next thing you can verify is that the address you are trying to reach is correct. And after the verification, you know that the address is correct, and if the error is the same, what you have to do, you have to wait for some time so that the address you are trying to get on the Safari can be updated. Maybe a server error on the website. So you have to wait for some time and you have to try it again, and hope this will fix your error. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.